Atiefo memamo akwa ababiem edeba nimdeɛ news so na sabe deɛ yɛkɔ Accra High Court sabe yɛkɔ court nsensɛm mu kakra na we nyina ɛyɛ Dr. Stephen Opuni ne nsɛm mu na yɛwura na sabe deɛ Opuni ɛyɛ ade a ayɛ awerɛho kakra ɛwɔ court a ɛnya asɛm ketewa sabe deɛ Opuni the witness ho ensem kakra ana aba na we nyina ekoye se court ekotena ase na se court etena asem no so na was a seventh defense witness for Dr. Stephen Opuni obepiem ewo court na wantimi ama mepiem ewo court a sabe de akoye ehaw na eye justice ana judge a wote asem no so de tudwa se ade say seventh witness yi say oni honoma enya ade a ombetimi a continue the case, so they need the presence of this seventh witness so that they can proceed the case. Na just a trial no sabe say seventh witness na amade a ebi putu on hold san kopim say obetimi aba bepie mu na eye Dr. Stephen Opuni echeche ensemu say yehwe say yehwe Dr. Stephen Opuni ensem emu a Dr. Stephen Opuni de to dwa say the witness seventh witness no ade a watu kwan kakra na akwantu na watu no like watu kwan ekọ amanone okọ abrochire na amanone na okọ no Dr. Stephen Opuni echemu say okọ no okra omo say August mu na obeba bepie in the first week of August na obeba intino fi se okoye de enya de a omo atimi ate no enka na Dr. Stephen Opuni echechire mu se enya de a ne witness yi na ene omu nyina na they have no idea say court ebetena asem no so mprempren intino we ene ama momantimi ama no antwen for the case wakodi abrochire say wakọ back graduation na sabi the court our Dr. Stephen Opuni say provided the traveling documents of the witness na just say may provide the evidence say yampa witness no etu kwan na just say sabi the Dr. Stephen Opuni sabi the court order no to provide evidences about his case or making his sabi say na we need any idea about what was going on to sabi etiefo we na yede ema etiefo nyina say de eko eno no na sabi de Dr. Stephen Opuni ne ho akoka adwa mu because asamba ko kan ya na ayawe ho kakra ama no say since ya witness no etu kwan no enya de a omwatimi atene nkampo se de na eko anase de na eko inti sabe de was witimi provide traveling documents of the man na otimi di proving ne ho se eyampa witness no etimi etu kwan na court ehunu se de ne nhihye betimi akwakoye fi se na this month it is starting from tomorrow August and was in the witnesses so ka say first week of August and obeba be pm oman Ghana, so from tomorrow kobia no August na yesimu no so we provide the traveling documents of the manner and then the court and so hunu said some no can legit and answer any legit they will find out and they will see na afedie omo make your decision on the case na yehunu de ebekeka akonti sabe the seventh witness and a train no say we be pm court na watima bi yini ho no wonsem bi ho na yewura ensem mu na yenhwe se de ensem no esiboboye court ebra Opuni eyi nsem no my lord this and that my lord please this yenhwe ensem mu kakra emra na yemfa nsi Accra July 30th. And Accra High Court has ordered the counsel for Dr. Stephen Opuni to produce the traveling documents of the seventh defense witness of Dr. Opuni as proof of his travel outside the jurisdiction of the court. The court, presided over by Justice Abuaje Tando, said the court could proceed without the witness. Earlier, Mr. Samuel Kujo, counsel for Dr. Opuni, told the court that the defense witness was not in the jurisdiction. Dr. Opuni and Seidu Agongo, a businessman, are facing 27 charges, including the defrauding by false pretenses, willfully causing financial loss to the state, money laundering, and corruption by public officer in contravention of the Public Procurement Act. They have both pleaded not guilty to the charges and are on a 300,000 Ghana cedis self-recognizance bail each. They have both pleaded. He informed us that he had to go outside the country for his son's graduation, and my lord, we have not made contact with him ever since, he said. The counsel said, when the witness gave us this information, he stated that he would return in the first week in August 2023. He said they were not aware that the court would give a ruling on the adoption of proceedings, and this was because they believed we all have to agree on what proceedings was being adopted. He said it was on this basis that they did not inform the court of the absence of their witness. Mr. Benson Nusupui, counsel for Mr. Gongo, said they would have to cross-examine the witness if he was brought, but as I have stated, we do not have the proceedings, although we have applied for it. My lord, the practice which we have come to meet is for the court adopting the proceedings typed out, given to all parties, and they can make reference in the case, he added. He said in conducting cross-examination on behalf of Mr. Agongo and his company, they would have to get all proceedings, go through them, and refer to them when cross-examining the witness. Mr. Nusupui said they believe that the court had a constitutional duty to give them adequate time and facility for the preparation of their defense. Ms. Stella Ohene Appiah, Principal State Attorney, said they would want to place on record that the Court of Appeal, in its decision dated July 3, 2023, never said that they should adopt the records that they used for the appeal. She said the proceedings in question was the proceedings we have known and worked with for about 6 years now. The court records proceedings as it goes on, and some parties not having the record of proceedings in a non-starter, and it will interest this court to note that in almost all the applications the accused persons filed during this trial, they attach records of proceedings to the appellate court. So we all have the proceedings, and my lord has ruled rightly, he added. Ms. Ohene Appiah said on the issue of the non-availability of the witness, my lord, I will concede that the call on the witness is rather on short notice. However, the court cannot wait for a witness who decides to attend his son's graduation for over 1 month. How? She told the court that because the accused informed the court previously that they had several witnesses, A2 and A3 have 40 witnesses, and A1 had 8 witnesses plus himself, making 9 to testify before the court. It was the prayer of prosecution that the next intended witness be called to testify. The court therefore adopted the proceedings, calling on parties to prepare their witnesses in regard and in readiness for the trial. Justice Tando said in respect, in the absence of the witness, there was no evidence before the court, asking whether the court should wait on the unavailability of the witness when his counsel had not made any contact with him. He said Dr. Opuni and other witnesses were available to proceed with the trial, adding that it is therefore important for all the parties to prepare their witnesses for an effective and efficient trial. The case was adjourned to Thursday, July 20th. The case was adjourned to